I'm Michael Brockman. I go to Stanford University. I'm originally from Oklahoma, and I study symbolic systems, which is a mixture of computer science and psychology, particularly focused in human-centered artificial intelligence. And right now I'm working on the Legal Futurist Team at Filevine, working on ImmigrationAI, our product to make immigration easier for people. And I'm working as a software developer and product person. You take a 15 or 20-minute drive and you're in the mountains, doing hikes or trail runs or kayaking or whatever you'd like. Something else I've really also appreciated about Salt Lake City is the fact that I never thought that I would end up here, kind of out of just happenstance. I'm originally from Oklahoma, and I moved to California for college. And I think there is so much importance and almost like virtue in moving and living in places for an extended period of time that you never thought you would end up before. So my advice to a student seeking an internship while they're in college, once again, I'm kind of a rising junior, would be I think the last thing that you should do is constrain yourself to whatever field that you're already familiar with. You never know, what skills or attributes you might use in your future. I can already see myself being impacted by my new wealth of knowledge of legal tech and of the consumers within the products, etc. And additionally, you're just never going to know what you're really good at or passionate about until you try, explore all the different options. Who are the leaders in various fields, even ones that are scary or unfamiliar, and then be an initiative taker, a self-starter, even if they don't, offer an internship program. My additional advice, to people in college trying to get internships is to really look for, innovative small teams, just to be able to have, that demonstrative impact that you really crave in your life, but then also, future jobs will as well. As a college rising junior, one of the most important things I feel like is to be able to discover and find impactful internships. And some people I knew about Filevine as I was talking to many different folks about what internships I could or should be taking. The number one thing that I heard was that Filevine had a really good culture and was really excited about the work that they did. Because of those things, I just cold emailed a recruiter. We hopped on the phone, there was a recruiter screening, and the rest is history. With wanting to focus on human-centered tech, it is awesome to be able to actually interface with customers and be able to optimize a product and iterate on that. My favorite things, plural, about the Filevine internship thus far have been being able to be, as I referenced, a jack of all trades. Being able to do software development, which I love and feel good at, and then also being able to be this product person, being able to design things and chatting with our customers and not being put into this box where I feel like other folks might be in larger, more corporate tech companies where they're delegated to a single function of a single process of a single product for their entire summer. And I feel like I've developed very diverse skills. And then secondly, again, I would say the culture is incredible and so inclusive. And I would really recommend anyone to hop into a field that they're not familiar with, such as legal tech, which I came in incredibly unfamiliar with, because the people here are so willing to teach you about things. I think it's always really good to hop into this incredibly impactful field that very few people actually know about, and be able to become an expert in that. I think those have been my favorite things about Filevine. One of the ways that I judge my impact is what I've had the opportunity here to do, which is talk to customers or people at immigration law firms or immigration clinics, and be able to see how excited they are for this new product that I feel confident that I played a significant role in building. Just because I've been so involved with the process in so many different ways. We're building a product called ImmigrationAI. Essentially, we're trying to make the entire immigration process way easier for people. My mom's an immigrant from Colombia, so this project was kind of near and dear to me. I have been kind of a jack of all trades with that product, from doing design stuff to doing back-end work, actually making the form and then making sure that it can be produced on the United States government PDF. Also interfacing with customers as well, and software developers. And our whole goal with the Legal Futurist team is essentially to be able to launch new impactful products for people, such as ImmigrationAI. And it made me really excited to be part of this team because AI could have a big impact, because it's such a small and inclusive team. B, their culture, they're so excited about what they do every single day. Because how could you not be excited about launching and making entirely new products?